Hi, my name is Athena from DreamForgeAcademy. I will be your guide for this course. A coding agent can build screens fast, but it cannot decide what you are making or prove your laptop is ready. SlipCheck shows the goal: photograph a boat, talk for 30 seconds, and hand the owner a signed quote. By the end of this lesson, you will have claimed your own version of that idea and stood up a Windows build workshop you can verify with your own eyes. Hold two ideas before any code. First, a reference app only proves a behavior is useful. You still choose the trade, the name, and the promise. Second, a working toolchain is a precondition, not a step you patch later. Everything after this is an agent doing a small, bounded task while you inspect the result, so set the foundation now. Work in order. Install Node 20 or newer and confirm with Node-V, enable PNPM, and check its version. Install Git and check its version. Install your editor and your coding agent and sign in. Then write a one-page product brief and run a single bounded prompt against it. Read every command's output yourself rather than trusting a summary. Claude Code leads, and the same instruction works in Codex. Ask the agent to report your Node, PNPM, and Git versions, confirm the editor and agent are installed, then review your brief and flag copied identity, vague promises, and any feature that does not serve the first journey. Require 3 honest differentiators with no code, and keep the stop line visible so it never enters secrets or runs destructive commands. Confirm the real signals. Node reads version 20 or newer. PNPM and Git both print a version. The agent answers your bounded prompt and respects the stop line, and a one-page brief exists with a new working name and a one-sentence customer. If any check fails, fix it before lesson 2. Thank you for watching. Follow along using the course material and complete the lesson assignment. I will see you in the next lesson.